Thank you for being with us. Our top story tonight, former President Donald Trump speaks out on day 18 of his hush money trial in New York City. Today at the courthouse in Manhattan, Trump called the case against him a disgrace, a sham, and a scam. And he said the judge is highly conflicted. He also pointed to poll numbers he said are through the roof. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, former President Donald Trump has pleaded not guilty. He's facing 34 felony counts. It's, of course, the first ever criminal trial of a former U.S. president. Today, the prosecutor's star witness was back in the proverbial hot seat.
As he heads into court, his attorney by his side, former President Donald Trump says the presidential polls show good news.
One just came out way up in North Carolina, way up in Georgia, way up in Nevada, way up in Arizona. Overall way up, leading by 5, 6, 7 points.
And he lamented the fact he's once again stuck in front of a judge and jury.
I'd like to be in these various states where I should be campaigning like anybody else. This is a Biden trial. This all comes out of the White House and the Department of Justice. This is all them.
In court, Donald Trump's lawyers pressing former attorney Michael Cohen on his criminal history and past lies, working to convince jurors not to believe the star witness's pivotal testimony. Defense lawyers painting Trump's fixer-turned-foe as a spurned former employee. Outside court, lawmakers from Capitol Hill supporting the former president.
I think that it's pretty clear to us that this is a sham trial. It's being done for political purposes, and that just should not stand in the United States of America.
It is corrupt lawfare. It's the Biden prosecutions, and Biden, you're going to lose this election cycle.
Prosecutors trying to prove Trump schemed to suppress a damaging story he feared would torpedo his 2016 presidential campaign and then falsified business records to cover it up.
This isn't justice. This is politics. It's political warfare, and we see it happening in third world countries all over the world. I never thought I'd see it happening in the United States of America.
And former President Trump heads to Minnesota tomorrow for a campaign fundraiser. Tickets start at $500 and go much higher. It's a state no Republican presidential candidate has won since Richard Nixon way back in 1972. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.